Brother Barnes, your biology study partner, doing about take 18 on this tiny video. Bammo. Maybe I will be happy with it this time. We will see. Bacteria break down glucose in the absence of oxygen to produce this. This is what gives yogurt and pickles their yummy flavor. Yeast ferment sugars in the absence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and ethanol. What kind of fermentation is this? By the way, booming sales of this during the COVID-19. In restaurants, it has one of the highest profit margins. Here's where I'm getting kind of hung up. Can you see where it says the absence of oxygen, the absence of oxygen? That's anaerobic, without oxygen. It's not aerobic cellular respiration. It's anaerobic. And it's also called fermentation in both of these cases. Lactic acid fermentation, alcohol fermentation. The sum of all the chemical reactions in your body is called what? Bueno, bueno, bueno.